Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Final Cut Pro is updated and compatible. This avoids plugin conflicts. Once done, find your transition package on disk. It might be a plugin, FXplug, or a zip. Make a backup of the Motion Templates folder in Movies to preserve presets. Next, open Finder and reveal the Motion Templates Transitions directory. If it doesn't exist, create the Motion Templates folder structure now. This ensures Final Cut will read the new transition files when launched. Now install the transitions by unzipping packages and checking their folder names. They should be clearly labeled for Final Cut. Once verified, drag the transition folders into the transitions subfolder inside /movies/motion templates. Make sure folder names are unique and avoid nested extra layers. After copying, right-click a folder, choose Get Info, and confirm read and write permissions for your user. Incorrect permissions prevent Final Cut from loading them. With Final Cut relaunched, open the Transitions browser and look for your installed set. Use the skimmer to preview how each behaves. To apply, drag a transition to the cut between two clips, then tweak length and available controls in the inspector to fit timing and style. If transitions do not appear, rebuild Final Cut's cache by deleting preferences and relaunching. Confirm the folder resides in Movies/Motion Templates/Transitions with correct naming and permissions, and reinstall any FXplug installers if required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.